Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Twitch stream settings with Streamlabs OBS step by step clearly. Launch Streamlabs OBS on your computer. Click on the settings gear icon located in the bottom left corner. Select the Stream tab from the settings menu. Choose Twitch as your streaming service. Log in to your Twitch account if prompted. Copy your stream key from your Twitch dashboard. Paste the stream key into the designated field in Streamlabs OBS. Next, navigate to the Output tab in the Settings menu. Set the output mode to Advanced for more control. Under the Streaming section, choose a suitable bitrate based on your internet speed. For video encoding, select a hardware encoder if available. Now, move to the Video tab in the Settings. Set your base resolution to match your display resolution. Adjust the output resolution to a size that suits your stream. Choose a suitable frame rate, typically 30 or 60 FPS. Next, go to the Audio tab in the Settings. Select your audio devices for desktop audio and microphone. Adjust the audio bitrate for better sound quality if needed. Once you've configured the settings, click Done to save. Set up your scenes by clicking on the plus icon under the Scenes box. Add your sources such as display capture, game capture, or window capture. Arrange the sources in the correct order for a polished layout. Use the audio mixer to adjust the volume levels of desktop audio and microphone. Double-check all settings and sources before starting your stream. When ready, click on the Go Live button in the lower right corner. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.